Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Wells Fargo suddenly stop working right after your iPhone updated to a new iOS version? This happens after every major Apple update, and the fix is in the App Store and your settings. First, restart your phone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down at the same time. Slide to power off, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. iOS updates create temporary conflicts with banking apps, and a clean restart usually clears them immediately. After restarting, go ahead and open your App Store and tap on your profile picture at the top right. Go ahead and scroll down and look for Wells Fargo Mobile in the available updates list. Banking apps like Wells Fargo release a compatibility update within a day or two of major update release. Tap update right away if you see it. If there is no update yet and the app is still broken, go to your settings app, go to iPhone storage, and then scroll down until you see Wells Fargo app on the list. Tap on it and then tap Offload app. Then reinstall it fresh again from the App Store. This always gives you a version fully compatible with your current iOS. So all you gotta do is restart your phone, check the App Store for Wells Fargo update, and upload and reinstall if needed.